In this video, we will talk about how to fix second monitor not detected Windows 11. Method 1. Check physical connections. Before starting any troubleshooting, ensure the monitor is powered on. Otherwise, the rest of the steps won't make any difference. Next, check that the HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA cable is securely connected at both ends. Try swapping the cable or switching to a different port to rule out any issues with the cable or port itself. If you're using a dedicated GPU, such as one from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, make sure you're connecting to the GPU's output ports, not the motherboards. Finally, use your monitor's menu button to manually select the correct input source. Some monitors don't automatically switch to the active input. Method 2. Check display settings. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select System, click on Display. If it's set to show only on one, then change it to extend these displays or duplicate these displays. Method 3. Update display drivers. Right-click on Start, click on Device Manager. Here, you need to expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, select Update Driver, then click on Search automatically for drivers. After updating your driver, click on Windows icon and select Restart. Method 4. Roll back or reinstall drivers. Right-click on Windows icon, select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, select Properties. Then click on Driver tab. Select Rollback Driver. If Rollback option is not working, then click on Uninstall the device. Again, click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. So that's how you can fix second monitor not detected Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.